Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find which version of Java installed on Mac OS. Click System Preferences. Click and open Java. Click About. Java version is displayed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.